Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. Today we'll explain how to communicate loss and weight controller GMC-X3 with PLC via the PROFINET protocol. A loss and weight controller is a device used to accurately control the feeding rate of materials, particularly bulk solids, by precisely measuring the weight loss of the material over time. Before communicating, you need to download the GMC-X3 GSD file on the General Measures website and remember the download address. The software used for demonstration is TIA Portal V14. Click Create New Project, fill in the project name, and click Create. Open the project view, enter the Add New Device interface. First, add the corresponding PLC device type, select the version number, and click OK. Click Options on Manage General Station Description Files to import the GSD file of the GMC-X3. Select the file, click Install. After installation, click Device Configuration in the equipment bar on the right. Click Network View and select PROFINET I/O in Other Field Devices. Click I/O, find the instrument device corresponding to the GSD file you just installed. Double-click to select, and click Connect Instrument Device and PLC. Next, assign the IP address of the PLC. Click on PLC Devices and set the IP address of the PLC. Then assign the IP of the instrument. Click on Instrument Device and set the IP address of the instrument in IP address. Modify the PN device name of the instrument. The device name is the unique identification for PN communication. Then reassign the device name of the instrument. Right-click the instrument device. Select Assign Device Name. Click Update List. Find the MAC address corresponding to the instrument. Select Assign Name. And click Close. After assignment is complete, click on Ungrouped Devices in the left device bar. Select In_1. Right-click on Properties and modify the parameters of GMC-X3 in the module parameters. Here, in the case of modifying unit, after the modification is completed, the parameters will be written to the instrument. We can see the unit changed in instrument. Click the Compile button to compile the configuration. After compilation, click Download to the device to enter the download interface. Then click Start Search to find the corresponding PLC device. Click Load. Click Stop All to load the configuration into the PLC. After completion, check Start All and click Finish. At this point, the configuration download is complete and the download interface is automatically closed. Click on Go Online. A green checkmark displayed in the left device bar indicates that the device has established a communication connection. Next, we will introduce the settings of the read-write cycle parameters for different parameters of the instrument. Refer to the parameter list in the manual. For example, zero calibration by using the request to write value of the Modbus address and input data, and read the millivolt of the zero calibration by using the read request of the Modbus address. First, click Go Offline to query the address assigned to the instrument by TIA software, which is divided into address I and address Q. Click PLC Tags on the left and select Default Tag Table. Enter the corresponding name, data type, address in the default variable table. Click Download, and after loading, click Go Online. Click Add New Watch Table in Watch and Force tables on the left side. Import the parameters of the default variable table in the monitoring table, and select the corresponding display format. Check the data types in the Modbus communication address table in the manual to get the corresponding display format. Write 1 after input data. Write 208 after the read request of the Modbus address. Write 208 after the request to write value of the Modbus address. Click on Modify all selected values once and now to see if the value in read value is consistent with the 0-point calibrated millivolt. If they are consistent, the read-write is successful. That's all for GMC-X3 PN communication demo. If you want to know more about this instrument, feel free to contact General Measure. In the next episode, we'll show you the work mode of the GMC-X3.